Amazon's crowded, Walmart is wide open, and here's why sellers are switching. Now, the first thing that we can see is a brand new seller just got on Walmart. And yes, they're making around $6,000, actually less than a month, just from August 7th to the 31st. So it's completely profitable, and there is a lot less competition on Walmart compared to Amazon. So this is definitely your time to get in. Now, the next thing we want to go over is going to be how easy it is to get to page number 1. And the reason why it is easy is because there's only 200,000 sellers on Walmart right now, compared to Amazon has around 9.7 million, which is just crazy. Those numbers are insane. Imagine competing against 200,000 compared to 9 million. Huge amount of difference there. But where the money's at, the fast money on Walmart, out of complete honesty, is going to be the resellers. So if you can get a good reselling product, right, and get a tool called Helium 10 right here. Helium 10, what you can do is run this product research tool. It's going to tell you how much money your competitors are making. But if I click right now on this, if I scroll down and I click on this item right here, they're selling a Pikachu, $19.50, right? The first thing that we can do is run this Helium 10 tool and see how much money they're making per month. And we can see right off the bat, they're making $32,000 a month on Walmart selling this. And who's selling it? Is it Walmart? No, it's a random third-party seller that's selling these items. You can also click on them and see all of the items that they sell. They're literally located in Orlando, Florida. They're selling Barbie. And again, if you go to trade shows, go to ChatGPT, look up online, you can find verified distributors and get access to them, sell on Walmart. Because again, right now, there's not much competition on Walmart. Just make sure you have your invoices in check. The next thing I want to talk about is going to be the SEO and how easy it is to get that page number 1. So you're like, oh, I don't understand SEO on Walmart. Well, it's not super difficult. So you see Walmart has a tab called the listing quality tab, and it tells you your listing quality of all of your listings. You want to get this just like in an exam. When you're taking a test, you want to get it in green, aka an A on your exam. In order to get an A for Walmart, it's only 81%. So get it to 81%. And what it's going to do is it's going to help you increase your sales and get you to page number 1 and stay on page number 1. You can see in the last 30 days, the ones that are an A, aka excellent, have a $4,000 increase compared to the ones that are poor. So you definitely want to do that. When you scroll down, it's going to actually have all of your listings down here, and it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do, what you need to change in order for Walmart's algorithm to push you to page number 1 and give you that 81% score or higher that you want, right? And sometimes it's just changing the word for, F-O-R, to a lowercase f instead of a capital. Like, there's tiny things that change Walmart's algorithm. So right now is the time to get in. And that's it for today's video. If you want more videos like this, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video just helps selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our Walmart account management service. We're going to help you get on Walmart, manage your account, list your items, and generate sales. It's all about helping you grow your business. Feel free to reach out to EHP Consulting Group below. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.
No.